Good morning. It's February 26th, and this is your daily brief in science. Here's everything you need to know. Ever wondered why some people recovering from COVID-19 experience that perplexing condition known as brain fog? Researchers at Trinity College Dublin might just have cracked the code, linking it directly to disruptions in the brain's blood supply system. In a groundbreaking study, they discovered elevated levels of a specific protein in blood samples, indicating a compromised blood-brain barrier in long COVID patients. This was further confirmed through advanced imaging techniques that showed an unusual leakage of contrast agent into brain tissue, a clear sign of disruption in the blood supply system. This finding is poised to revolutionize the way we understand and treat post-viral neurological diseases. With long COVID affecting an estimated 6 to 15% of COVID-19 survivors, and symptoms like brain fog being a common complaint, the implications of this research are far-reaching. It not only sheds light on the mysterious condition, but also opens new avenues for exploring treatments for other neurological conditions potentially triggered by viral infections. The team at Trinity College Dublin is not stopping here. They are diving deeper into the role of the blood-brain barrier in neurological disorders, hoping to uncover more about how viral infections can lead to such profound cognitive disruptions. This research could be a significant step forward in our battle against the long-term effects of COVID-19 and other viral infections on the brain. In a remarkable blend of traditional wisdom and modern science, researchers have made a groundbreaking discovery in Kerala, India, that brings new hope for the critically endangered Cantor's giant softshell turtle. This elusive species, known for its unique behavior and habitat, has been spotted in the wild for the first time in India, marking a significant milestone in conservation efforts. A dedicated team led by Veerappan Deepak and Françoise Cavada Blanco from the Senckenberg Society for Nature Research and the University of Portsmouth embarked on this journey, uncovering the nesting sites of these remarkable creatures in the Chandragiri River. The discovery was made possible with the invaluable assistance of local villagers, who played a crucial role in locating and monitoring the turtles. This collaboration not only highlights the importance of traditional knowledge and scientific research, but also opens up new avenues for conservation strategies. The findings of this study, published in the prestigious journal Oryx, shed light on the behavior and habitat of Cantor's giant softshell turtles, providing essential data for future conservation efforts. The successful integration of local community insights with scientific research underscores the potential for harmonious coexistence between humans and wildlife, offering a glimmer of hope for the preservation of these unique creatures. Decades-old mystery solved with cutting-edge science. After 54 years, the cold case of Sandra Young, a missing teenager from Portland, has finally seen a breakthrough thanks to the power of genetic genealogy and DNA testing. Sandra Young vanished in the late 1960s, leaving her family and friends without closure. Her skeletal remains were discovered in 1970 in a shallow grave on Sauvie Island, but it wasn't until January 2023 that a crucial piece of the puzzle fell into place. A relative's decision to upload their DNA to a genealogy database led to the identification of Young's remains, bridging a gap across decades. This pivotal moment has prompted the Portland Police Bureau to reopen the investigation into her untimely death. The use of investigative genetic genealogy in this case underscores its potential to solve cold cases that have long remained mysteries. Despite the high costs associated with advanced DNA technology, the successful identification of Sandra Young illustrates its invaluable role in providing answers and seeking justice. As the investigation continues, Young's family calls for closure and justice, highlighting the enduring impact of this technology in resolving cases that once seemed beyond reach. Think protein is the golden key to health and fitness? A new study from the University of Pittsburgh School of Medicine is turning heads by suggesting that might not always be the case. This research, conducted on mice, indicates that consuming high-protein products in excess could lead to arteriosclerosis, a condition where fats, cholesterol, and other substances build up in the arteries, potentially contradicting the popular belief in the universal benefits of high-protein diets. The study found that a protein intake exceeding 22% of daily energy needs may promote this harmful arterial buildup. However, it's important to note that these findings are preliminary, with limitations including a small sample size and the use of animal subjects. This means the results might not directly translate to humans, and more research is needed to draw definitive conclusions. Interestingly, the study did not conclusively link high-protein diets to kidney damage, a common concern among health professionals. This suggests that protein needs can vary greatly depending on factors like physical activity levels and existing health conditions. The German Nutrition Society weighs in, advising that protein intake should be tailored to individual training goals and intensity. They recommend a range of 0.8 to 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight for adults engaging in up to 5 hours of weekly physical activity, with ambitious athletes possibly needing up to 2 grams per kilogram daily, spread across 3 to 4 meals. The takeaway? While high-protein products continue to be popular, this study serves as a reminder that their potential health risks should not be overlooked. Personalizing protein consumption based on individual factors is crucial for maintaining health and achieving fitness goals. Your diet may directly influence your brain health and could potentially shield you from dementia and neurodegenerative diseases. A groundbreaking study from 2022 brings us closer to understanding how the foods we eat might play a crucial role in our cognitive well-being. This research identifies a list of powerhouse foods that could be key to enhancing brain health and reducing the risk of cognitive decline. Among these are edible mushrooms, algae, leafy greens, wasabi, fatty fish, nuts, and red berries, each linked to specific cognitive benefits. Leafy greens stand out for their neuroprotective properties, while wasabi has been associated with memory improvement. Fatty fish is praised for its positive impact on cognitive well-being, nuts are linked to enhanced cognitive performance, and red berries are celebrated for their flavonoids that support memory and learning. The study emphasizes the significance of incorporating these foods into the diets of older adults, suggesting a potential strategy to mitigate cognitive decline. However, the researchers also highlight the need for further investigation to deepen our understanding of the relationship between diet and cognitive health in aging populations. This study not only sheds light on the potential cognitive benefits of certain foods, but also opens the door for future research in this vital area of health science. This has been your Daily Brief in Science. To read more about these stories, follow the links in the episode bio. You can also subscribe to these updates via email at www.brief.news. For more daily podcasts about the topics you love, visit brief.news/podcasts. Tune in tomorrow. We'll be back with everything you need to know.